Hi everyone! Today we are going to bake a whole wheat bread that is not only incredibly delicious but also beautifully made. These are the ingredients for this recipe. 225 grams whole wheat flour, 300 grams bread flour, 8 grams instant yeast, 10 grams salt, 12 grams sugar, 3 grams cocoa powder, it is optional, 320 to 360 milliliter water, 15 grams olive oil. In a mixing bowl, combine the whole wheat flour, bread flour, sugar, salt, and instant yeast. In this recipe, we have 3 grams of cocoa powder to give the bread a darker color. I didn't use it, but you can add it if you prefer a richer, darker loaf. Now add 320 milliliter of water. When making bread, it is important not to add all the water at once. Pour it slowly, as different flours absorb water differently, and you may not need the full amount. At this stage, knead the dough either with a stand mixer or by hand until it comes together smoothly. As you can see in the video, I'm gradually adding the water while kneading the dough. When the dough looks smooth and comes together nicely, it's time to add the olive oil. Now our dough is ready. One way to check if it's perfectly kneaded and the gluten has developed is the window pane test. Just take a small pieces of dough and gently stretch it with your fingers. If it stretches thin without tearing and you can almost see light through it, congratulations! The gluten network is strong and your dough is ready for proofing. If it tears easily, just knead it a little more. At this stage, grease a bowl with oil. Place the dough in the greased bowl, cover it and let it rest at room temperature for 1 hour. As you can see in the video, after 1 hour, our dough has doubled in size. Next, gently press the dough to release any excess air. Now divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Now shape each portion of the dough into a round ball. Line a baking tray with a parchment paper and place the dough balls on it. At this stage, lightly spray the dough with water. Cover the dough and let it rest for another hour. After the final rest, our dough has doubled in size again. After the final rest, dust the dough with flour and then score your desired pattern on top with a sharp blade. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Then place the bread in the oven, making sure to put a tray of boiling water underneath to create a steam. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the bread from the oven and let it cool completely before slicing. And now your bread is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be happy to help.